Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Vice President Biang BJP Meghalaya Pradesh Gagan Jain uloang baga BJP Meghalaya klabo Thong ban Pynkhlaiñ Biang iginong tray Hapoh Snem bansawan. Hagaji kramik lat patai ko bor dengan jingpli patba yak state level exhibition. Kapin ipat ba kejanya linti jang BJP Hapoh di India. Kablalong hakakat atre uyayong aratar prosan Gagan Jain uloang ru bag BJP Meghalaya klara ban Pynkhlaiñ shu eka party. Da ko pensluri patba bakin penyesok kom girudukat bagi nong tray jang ka party. Hakini ke jogas ni ke BJP Meghalaya Pradesh klapen longru ke jingalang kin mau buram yuk pa jangariti sensyakari India ubhim rau Ambedkar da ka bakin mau tempang yu senyang ubenhe bawla no yu sub utiar jong ke emlang ka salang hapde ke jai bendru nong song jong ke India ka party hakini ke sing klapen longru ke jinga triatai halo ka Waqf Amendment Bill ban pensya ke jingsha ilam jagi patba halo ka jimpen long an da ka sarkar MDA bailam da ke BJP yakini ka an rau ha parliament.
Esteemed guest from Tripura, Shri Tutan Das ji, who is the chairman of the Cooperative Federation, Government of Tripura. He is here as a resource person to speak on the main program for today, which is Dr. Ambedkar Samman Abhiyan. This is a very important program that we were asked to attend a workshop in Delhi for. This is in honor of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, the founder of our constitution, and how the Congress party throughout the years that Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar struggled, they tried to pull him down. They made every effort to defeat him in elections. They made all-out efforts to ensure that he was not a part of the Constituent Assembly which drafted the Constitution. But he, with the support of many positive-minded people, overcome those hurdles of Congress Party and not only made it to the Constituent Assembly, but also chaired the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly, and therefore was the father of the Constitution. So we are here to enlighten the people of our state on how he fought for the rights of not only the scheduled castes, the Dalits, but also the tribal people of the entire country. If it wasn't for his efforts, the reservations and the special status that the tribals enjoy throughout the country wouldn't have been possible. So this program is to enlighten the grassroots workers about his contributions and about how our party BJP supported him, his Bharat Ratna award. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna during the VP Singh government with the support of the BJP. All these years, Congress awarded Bharat Ratnas only to its leaders, but did not think of honoring Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Not only that, he was even forced to resign from the cabinet of Nehruji. So we are here to enlighten all these aspects of his life and his struggles to the people of Meghalaya. Two things: that to form a government or to win more MLA seats in our state, we need the grassroots organization. we build the grassroots. What we have realized over the past 10 years is that we build the grassroots organizations, and then for some reason or the other, it doesn't succeed going forward. Then we have to rebuild it. So that saga has been going on. Now we have decided, under the leadership of Barikman Movement, that we will strengthen the grassroots organization, and will encourage the true Karyakartas to come up in all the mandals. So unless we strengthen the grassroots and have the booth level committees and the page Panna Pramukhs, as they are called, page leaders, we cannot win elections. So our entire focus will be on building the grassroots in the next 3 years. The program that we just saw the exhibition for was the journey of BJP over the last 46 years. As you know, BJP was founded in 1980. And in Meghalaya, the BJP has been contesting elections right from the 1990s. There was a time during the Vajpayee government that we won 3 MLAs who were Thong Rangad, Shri El Hek, and Nitya Narayan Simshang from Garo Hills. That was the peak of the party in the early 2000s. We had a minister in Bahek during that time. Batrang also was the home minister, as you very well know. And thereafter, we could not retain those MLA seats during the UPA era which lasted about 10 years. But we made a resurgence. The party made a resurgence in the 2018 elections, where we again reclaimed 2 seats in Ba AL Hek and Ba Sanbor Shulai. And we repeated those 2 seats in the 2023 assembly elections. We also did very well overall in both those assembly elections, in that we were in the second place in 8 to 10 seats in both elections. Our vote share did not dwindle. We retained our vote share at 10% in both those elections. During the 2014 Lok Sabha elections, Shibun Lingdo contested from the Shillong seat, and he got a very good response in about 97,000 votes. In 2019 elections, Bashanbor Shalai contested. He also got about 76,000 votes. Our state president contested in 2019 elections from Mathura seat for the first time. And he also received a very good response of about 33,000 votes. We continue to work and go to the grassroots, and we'll continue this fight till the time we form a government in the future. We are quite positive under the leadership of Barikman Movement. Under his able leadership and guidance, the party is marching full strength ahead. The workshop for in Delhi this week was for the Waqf Amendment Act 2025. We were enlightened. We were told that we have to take the truth about the Waqf Amendment Act and dispel all the misinformation that the opposition is carrying out on this important act, and how the northeast, the tribal areas, have been left outside the purview of the Waqf. We have to enlighten the people, the tribal people, about it. This is a very important bill. It will empower the Muslim ladies who were not empowered before. It will benefit the orphans, and also ensure that there is a right to appeal if the Waqf boards decide to take away the properties of anybody. There was no right to appeal. People could not approach civil courts. So that right to appeal for illegal or wrongful encroachment of their properties by the Waqf has also been taken care by this very important Amendment Act. So these 2 programs are something that we will be carrying on at the district, at the mandal, at the booth levels throughout this month till the first week of May.